Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install 7-zip on Windows. This program will allow you to open up any compressed folder that you can't normally open. To start off with, first you need to head on over to the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you now need to choose your version of Windows. I'm running a 64-bit version of Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and download 64-bit. You now need to go save file, and once the file has finished downloading, we can now run the setup file. You now need to go install, unless you do want to change the directory of the path. I'm happy for it to be installed in my C drive in program files. Once 7-zip has finished installing, we now need to head on over to our C drive and go to our program files where we installed 7-zip. Once you are in the directory of where you installed 7-zip, you now need to open up the 7zfm file, and you now need to go up to Tools and click on Options. You now need to press the little plus sign here, and it has now made 7-zip the default program to open up any of these file extensions. You now need to hit Apply and go OK. And if I just go to my desktop quickly, we can actually right click now and go to New, and we can go Text Document, and I'm just going to quickly go Test. If I now right click on my text document, I now have a 7-zip option. I can actually now compress this file, which means it will actually save me space on my hard drive by simply going to add to test.zip. And if I now double click on this zip folder, as you can see, it's opened up 7-zip and there's my file. And I can simply just drag that back out again and it will extract the file. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.